Hey buddies, nice that you're here again, and today, like I promised in the last tutorial, I show you the basic chords of the baritone ukulele, which is my new love and passion. Anyway, you can play it too with the regular tenor, soprano, concert ukulele in low G, but it's in a different key. You have to use the circle of fifths to understand, or I show it to you in the next tutorial, that you can use both. So you just have to download an app that will help you. Anyway, so we start today with the ABC of the basic chords of the baritone ukulele. I change a little bit the position of the camera that you can also see my hand, what I am doing in a bit closer view on my ukulele. So we start here on my baritone baby with the first key of the alphabet, which is A, and the A major chord is second fret for third and second string. You can play it like this, or you can play it like this. Some people, they have flexible fingers. They can bar it and lift the lower knuckle, but I'm an old girl. I can't do this. So this is A. Next chord is B. Watch out. It's the dangerous E on the regular ukulele. First finger on the second fret on the first string, and then we take the same position like the A before and jump to the fourth fret. And we have B, or the B-hated E of the standard ukulele. C. C is not that easy like the G. C is well known on the regular ukulele as a F, but in this case is C. So first finger on the first fret is second string, and the second finger on the fourth string, second fret. We go ahead with D. D, you are familiar with, is the G on the standard ukulele, but D on the baritone, and we use middle finger on the second fret, first string, index finger on the third string, second fret, and the ring finger on the third fret, second string. So we go ahead with F. The mean barcode of the baby. So you can play F completely barred the first fret, or the first and the second string, then the middle finger on the third string of the second fret, and the index finger on the fourth string of the third. And we have an F. And now the toughest chord, the G. Known as C on the regular ukulele, 3rd fret, 1st string, the ring finger, the 3rd finger. And we have G. So these are the basic major chords. Now we go ahead with the basic minor chords. We start with the alphabet key of A, and it's A minor, which is known on the regular ukulele as D minor. So we use our 1st finger, put it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and the middle, and ring on the 2nd fret, the 4th and the 3rd string. A. B minor, known as E minor on the regular ukulele. It's the stairway. So we start on the 2nd fret with the 1st finger on the 1st string, then the 2nd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and the 3rd finger on the 3rd string on the 4th fret, and we have a B minor. Now the C minor, known as F minor. So we use the 1st fret. We put the 1st finger on the 4th string, the 2nd finger on the 2nd string, and the mean little pinky on the 3rd fret on the 1st string. Ooh, it's a huge stretch on the baritone ukulele. I think I'm gonna do a tutorial about finger practice and left hand mastery. I'm still practicing it so far too, so step by step I show you what I'm learning at the moment, and I'm cooling myself anyway. So this was C minor. Now we go ahead with D minor, known as G minor on the regular ukulele. 1st finger on the 1st fret, 1st string, 2nd finger on the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and the ring, the 3rd finger, on the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. And known as A minor on the regular ukulele is E minor. On the baritone, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string. Then we have F minor, known as B minor. We bar the 1st fret and the ring finger on the 4th string, 3rd fret. And finally, the same like C minor on the regular ukulele, 3rd fret, the 1st, 2nd and 3rd string is G minor. You can play it with 3 fingers or you can bar it. Okay buddies, this was the alphabet of the basic chords major and minor on the baritone ukulele. So PDF you can download under the link below with Patreon membership, or soon step by step I upload it in my Kochi store as tiny files for a tiny amount of money, and you can download like an ebook every series I put here on YouTube. If you have any further questions or ideas, write me, ask me. Feel free to contact me. Love you and see you next time. And I'm showing you what I'm practicing at the moment. Bye bye.